Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to download your signed documents in DocuSign. Now, you can quickly find those completed signed documents. If you're on the home page and scroll down, you should find a handful of those documents. And if you're seeing them here, you can simply click download and you'll be able to download the documents. As you can see right here, you can combine them into one PDF, or you can basically just simply download them individually. Once you do, just simply click on download and it's going to give you the option to basically save it on your PC and you download that. So you have it on your computer, right? The next way how to actually download this is to go ahead and click on agreements at the top, and here you'll be able to find completed and you find these documents, and here you can simply go ahead and click download from here, or you can click and open the document. Here you have the option to download as well. You click that and you can also download. You can choose how you want. Combine, this time I'm going to combine, do the combined PDF and click and download as well. And as you can see, it's going to pop up on my computer, ask me to basically view it, and as you can see, it is done. Right, and this is the document that I've downloaded that is signed. And that's it, guys. That's how to download agreements on DocuSign. Very easy and very simple.